Hey, I'm Paul from Inside and Out Builders. We specialise in tight access, heritage, extensions and renovations. These kinds of projects come with the challenges, but with 20 years experience, they're not a problem for us. At Inside and Out Builders, we specialise in doing full-scale renovations and extensions. We can help you from the very beginning to the end. So starting with concept, getting your architectural plans, bringing you to permit and the build, but we'll also work off your existing plans if that's what you already have. However, if all you need is a bathroom or kitchen renovation, we can definitely help you with that too. Our architect will work closely with you to design the colour palette, tiles, fixtures and fittings to suit your needs. While doing heritage renovations and extensions, it's not uncommon to come across challenges along the way. Our job as a builder is to overcome these challenges and still satisfy the client's needs. We do this really well. The team at Inside and Out Builders is kind of like a family. The carpenters are in-house and all the other trades, some of them we've known up to 18 years. If we do have to deal with a new trade, we always make sure that we get them with a high recommendation for somebody that we're already working with. Inside and Out Builders has been operating for 10 years. However, me personally, I have 20 years experience doing heritage renovations and extensions. After the initial meeting, we get the architect in and work out your design. Once you're happy with the design, we move to permit stage. And that's when we begin the build and the journey begins. Throughout that process, we'll keep you in the loop the whole way and make sure that you end up with the project that you desire. So if you're thinking about renovating or extending in the near future, get in contact today and we can set up the initial consult.